Benefits of drumsticks. I know what you're thinking. No, not the chicken, but this article is about the health benefits of the vegetables called drumsticks, also known as Moringa oleifera. This is mostly used in curries, sauces, sops, or pickles, and is very beneficial to the human body. And this is why: number one, constipation. For your body to function at its full maximum, you must understand that ailment like constipation must be avoided, and we all know prevention is better than cure. Proteins needed to have a good digestive system in the body must be calcium, iron, vitamin C, and carotenoid. Luckily, these are found faithfully in drumsticks. So if you make a soup of drumstick and eat this once a week, your digestive system will be great. Number two, strong bonds. The most important way of bringing up a child is to ensure that have strong bonds. When a child has strong bonds, they can play easy, do their day-to-day chores easy, and mostly not have any pains anywhere unless if you make a juice of drumsticks and mix it with milk and give this to your child as often as you can, you will begin to see the child's bone growing strong and healthy. These drumsticks are very rich in calcium, and we all know for strong healthy bones the presence of calcium must be present at all times. Number 3, smooth skin. We all want smooth skin. Men and women and even children would love to have wonderful skin. Sometimes we do not want to use cleanser and scrubs because sometimes they may cause an allergic reaction, even may leave skin worse than they were before using the cosmetic. Drumstick juice is a well-known home remedy that leaves you with a smooth skin, a smooth face. Everyone will notice it is good purifier that heals and takes away all the bacteria that may be clinging on the skin or in the skin. Try some juice today. Number 4, respiratory illness. Do you know or do you yourself suffer from asthma, bronchitis, or tuberculosis? We all know that these ailments we are all curable and manageable, but the one major symptom they come with is dreaded wheezing. This wheezing is so bad that it can make you not even manage to sleep at night. It can paralyze your day-to-day work because if you have wheezing, that means your chest is very congested. Well, the usage of drumstick leaves helps cure the wheezing and helps contain these 3 ailments along with other medications prescribed by the doctor. Number 5, pregnancy. Especially for pregnant women, drumsticks should be apart from the diet. Sometimes we are so scared of delivery, especially if you're first-time mom. You're scared of the pain and also afraid of how fast it should take for you to heal. Well, the intake of drumstick leaf juice helps with easy delivery and reduces post-delivery complications. Having a healthy baby is always the ultimate goal, but even being able to heal and have no complications after birth is very important too.